Hey YouTubers, I got a delivery today, and it was from this company called Grizzly, which you can only imagine what Grizzly is, or some people may know, some people may not. But anyways, we're gonna go through and show you. So we'll go through the box first. And it says, what do we got here? It says Grizzly. And move some of this foam stuff because, oh yes, we love foam. And look at what it is. And I got my little shopmate here. She's all dazzling. Yep. Can you say hi, YouTube?
Hi, YouTube.
Alrighty. So let's see. What this is here is a quick change tool post holder for a lathe that I bought. And it hasn't been delivered yet, but I figured, why not show you some of the other goods? See, here is a, a chuck on it. So I don't really know anything about metal lathes. I mean, of course I do know, mechanical parts and everything, and I know that these are quick change posts and stuff like that. I mean, I'm not completely stupid about it, but I don't know, like this here, I do know is a knurling tool, quick change knurling tool, which I thought was pretty cool. This whole set here is it's a 14-piece set that I bought directly from Grizzly. And it was, I think, $160, somewhere in there. It's something like that. I like this holder. That's pretty nice. I'll have to keep that probably, at least the foam part. But anyways, yeah, so it's got a parting tool part, and yeah, I do believe this is the parting tool part. And I think this is just a regular quick change for doing your turning, and I believe this is too. I don't know. I'll have to read up on them again because I don't remember what they all do. I just know that I bought them because everybody says that the quick change tool posts are the way to go. So you don't have to reconfigure your stuff all the time. So that's it. Look at that. That's a good shopmate right there. Didn't even have to tell her, and she's cleaning the shop. Way to go, buddy. Anyways, okay, let's get back to what we got here. This here is a magnetic dial indicator, so I can make sure my parts are true and stuff like that, so they're not out of round, or I can get them real synced in there to where they work really well. I don't know, this is me having to learn. This is gonna be all new to me, playing with the lathe. I'm not going to open that right now because I don't need to. But I'm kind of curious about this thing. See how well that magnet works. Oh, wow, that works well. That's hold on, turd. Whoa, almost crashed into each other. This block of steel is probably 5 to 7 pounds. It's pretty heavy. Yeah, probably that. And this thing here, clamp on it. I don't think it would come. I can't pull it off. Well, at least I can't pull it off with one hand. I don't even think I can tip it to the side. Nope, I can't tip it to its side. So that's nice. I like these. I like the way these are made. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Got there, and the parts there to angle it anywhere and I want, so I can put it at any angle. So yeah, here's just a little quick video of some tools I got that I ordered. I've been waiting forever to buy this stuff. been saving, and which, hey, that's what it takes. That's what it takes. So yeah, you'll see. I'll have tomorrow the video of what this baby's going on for you. So it'll be delivered tomorrow. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more.